Cash App and Bitcoin, buying, selling, or holding onto a dream. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, specifically focusing on Cash App and its relationship with Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin. This digital gold has been making headlines for years, its wild price swings both thrilling and terrifying for investors. But with all this buzz, a common question pops up. Can you actually use Cash App to buy, sell, or trade Bitcoin? Let's break it down and see if Cash App can be your one-stop shop for all things Bitcoin. Cash App, more than just sending money to your buddies. We all know Cash App as that convenient way to split a pizza bill or send some cash to a friend. But it turns out, Cash App offers a surprising amount of versatility, venturing beyond peer-to-peer transactions. In recent years, Cash App has added stock trading to its repertoire. But the real kicker? They also jumped into the cryptocurrency game, allowing users to buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. So, can you sell your Bitcoin on Cash App? Absolutely. Cash App doesn't just let you buy in, you can also sell your Bitcoin holdings and convert them back to cold, hard cash, digital cash on the app. This flexibility makes Cash App an attractive option for beginners dipping their toes into the Bitcoin waters. Selling Bitcoin on Cash App, a step-by-step. Now, selling Bitcoin on Cash App is a fairly straightforward process. Here's a quick rundown. Open your Cash App and navigate to the Bitcoin tab. Tap the Sell button. Choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, or enter a custom amount. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or Touch ID. And that's it. Cash App will handle the conversion, crediting your account with the equivalent amount in dollars. Is Cash App the Bitcoin broker for you? Cash App offers a user-friendly platform for buying and selling Bitcoin. It's perfect for casual investors or those just starting their cryptocurrency journey. But before you go all in, there are a few things to consider. Limited selection. Cash App only allows transactions with Bitcoin. If you're looking to explore other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Dogecoin, you'll need to look elsewhere. Fees and spreads. Cash App makes its money through fees and spreads. These can vary depending on market conditions, so be sure to factor them into your calculations before buying or selling. Security considerations. While Cash App implements security measures, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency exchanges are prime targets for hackers. Always ensure you have strong passwords and two-factor authentication enabled. Cash App versus dedicated crypto exchanges. Cash App offers a convenient way to dabble in Bitcoin, but it has its limitations. Dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Gemini provide a wider range of coins, more advanced trading tools, and potentially lower fees. Ultimately, the choice between Cash App and a dedicated exchange depends on your investment goals. The takeaway: Cash App a gateway to Bitcoin? Cash App can be a great way to get started with Bitcoin. It's user-friendly, convenient, and allows for both buying and selling. However, keep in mind the limited selection, fees, and security considerations. For more seasoned investors or those seeking a broader crypto experience, dedicated exchanges might be a better fit. Do your research, understand the risks, and happy adventuring in the world of Bitcoin. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of finance.